we are off to Fam Jam, one of the best RC events that I've ever been to. They've got massive jumps, they've got a crawler track, they've got race track, they've got basher tracks, they've got a drift track, and this year they've made it even better. So let's get all my toys and then head off down there. But before that, let me show you what cars I'm going to bring with me. First up, we have the Losi Baja Raid 2.0. Next up, we have this highly modified Traxxas Sledge, a Redfin special competition crawler, this brand new RGT crawler with some special tricks up its sleeve, and this replica of my real monster truck. So the Losi Baja Race, super realistic, solid rear axle just like on the real one, trailing arms, double wishbone suspension up front. Look at all the scale detail in there. The Sledge is gonna go for the sky jump. I think the ramp's about 16 foot tall or something crazy, but anyway, we've got all the M2C upgrades on here, perfect pass servo, but if we look in there, we've got an M2C long wheelbase conversion kit. Stock length chassis, long length chassis. Look at that, it's about that much longer. Also, we got this Trill aluminium bulkhead. So we're going to give this car absolute hell over that sky jump. Then when we get back, we're going to rebuild it. The RGT crawler's got a few tricks up its sleeve. So we've got 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, dig function, 2-speed and a winch. Portal axles for loads more ground clearance. Here we got all the transmission servos, winch. There you go, that's how it all works. You can pause that if you want to read it. Specifications and techno babble there. If you want to know where we can get any of these cars from and all techno babble, link to all of that down below. So more on that later. This here, the Redfin Special, it's got bully one axle, so motor one axles. There's no drive shafts there, so really low centre of gravity. I don't really know nothing about these, but it's got these fancy shocks on there, so we're going to see how that goes. The monster truck replica is a HBI wheelie king, so it's a bit of a mess really. Kept blowing rear diffs. I put loads of hot glue around there to beef up the housing. It's got front and rear wheel steering. They've got a little monster truck arena there, so we're going to do some freestyle competitions. Right, well that's enough waffle. Let's go. Look at that, one of the highest tax nations in the world. This is what we get. There we go, we have arrived. Here we go, look, we got crew over there, more crew over there. Here we are on location, we got the first bit, the sky jump. Hopefully it's going to survive, if not, we got the new chassis and everything to put on it. Got Ian in the house, what you got, mate?
My X-Max I've broken already.
You've broken already?
Yeah.
What's broke?
The steering link.
Check out the size of this monstrosity. Right, here we go, straight away, flaps out. Oh, still going. Still going, no, look. That sounds nasty. Next up, we'll try the smaller one. Oh! Ah, body off. Let's try a front flip. That's where it's going to go wrong. Oh, that's bad. Oh, straight on the back. I think that's had it. Oh, look, subscribe. LiPo's out, that's out.
Uh-oh, guys.
Blah, 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 blah.
Alright, look
Blah,
at...
blah, blah. And blah.
Alright, this doesn't look...
Oh! That's broken! That was a forward flip. What about a back flip here?
What about a double back flip?
Try. Oh, what? Back in the way.
Centre dish blown out, I reckon.
Yeah, something's gone.
Can't it? Oh!
The whole thing's turning and nothing's turning there.
Oh! Look, the pin, see that pin there? Just come out and it puts all the drive to the rear.
Alright, we might fix that later, but next victim. Go on to the moon! Oh! Still going?
Yep.
Whose is that? Is that yours? What are you going to do with it?
Send it.
To the moon? To the moon! Oh! Here comes the mama! Oh! Oh, ejection! Oh dear. It's not looking good. A minute ago, sun was out blazing hot. Now it's raining. Next, we're going to rip this thing here, the Losi Baja Ray 2.0. By the way, one of you guys can win this car. I'm going to put a link to that down below. Right, let's see it rip.
I can't see nothing.
That's your car.
Yeah, that's my one, that one, mate. You not having a race?
All race.
Yeah, go on then, line them up. Creighton, we got, God knows what they are, but they're things. XRT over there as well. Ready, steady, go, 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 go! Oh, where's the lead? We got the lead so far. We're a little bit top heavy with this, so we've got to drive it scale, but we're in the lead so far. Oh! Oh, we got the XRT closing in. Can the Losi get the win? Here we go, over the line. Nice! Oh! Here's Noah's rally car on the rally track. Here we got the soft core RC boys.
Soft core?
Where have you been hiding?
Oh, here, there, everywhere.
So what are you doing here? What's going on?
We've got some toys to play with.
Oh, so you've got, oh, these are looking flash. So what's this one here, Losi 5T?
Yep.
And this one's a 30 degree north.
No, both Losi
No,
5Ts.
two Losi 5Ts.
Yep. Oh,
Hello there, are they going to the moon?
no.
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 That one there's got to go off of.
Look at the beautiful body by Baja Skins.
Oh, look at that, it's got a Taylor 50 in there. Is it a 50?
40
40.
GT. That's got an OBR in it.
Oh, and then that one's a lightweight one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that one can definitely go off the ramp.
No.
We'll see about that in a minute.
Are you going to foot the bill?
We'll try and persuade him. You're loaded, you're bank manager.
Oh, yeah.
What the hell was that? Let's investigate. Oh, shit. Oh no, look. Ah.
Oh, he's weed himself.
Ah.
Now he's soft core.
It legit looks like I've weed myself.
You got excited.
What happened? What was it? What is it?
Oh, rocket car.
Oh,
So we just had a rocket on the back of it. It was a bit of a fail.
so that was one rocket.
That was one rocket.
So they
This
go
time,
three?
we're going to go for three. We're going to try it at the base of the ramp.
Yes, to the moon. Here comes the boss, health and safety.
Oh, yes.
How you doing, mate?
Good man, good.
There we got Team Hardcore over there. They said they're not going to jump it off the big ramp, but I reckon a bit of persuasion by all the viewers, I reckon we can. So he's going to light that, and he's going to go to the moon. Hopefully, anyway, might not. I don't know how close is safe. I don't know where to stand. Not here. There we got the driver. If anybody dies, that's who you send the invoice to. 3, 2, 1. Well, that was an anticlimax. What's happened?
I don't know. That should have worked.
Oh, David's come over to have a look at his jump. Attempt number 2 coming up. To the moon! What happened? Nothing.
Elon Musk.
Absolutely nothing.
Elon Musk's fault.
You ready for the big jump? Yes! Jump! Jump! No! Do it! Go on, that one! Do one big one, I'll pay for the damage. Yeah. Open that, yeah. Go! Go, go! Oh, Fred! Food! Here we go, attempt number probably 4. I like that, I reckon. 3, 2, 1. I think you need 10 rockets on there. Next up, we're going to have a little crawler challenge. Here we've got the crawlers. So Max has got this TRX4 here, fully brassed up, loads of weight down low, really low centre of gravity. Next up, we've got the RGT that you saw earlier. We got Racket, we got this jalopy. So over here, what we got?
We got a custom Revo.
Right, so this is nitro. We all know nitros are absolute pain in the butt, but not anymore.
Come on, Kev, you do it. That button.
Whoa. That's what you need. None of this getting blisters. That is how it's working. For some reason, this one goes forward, but you try and go backwards. Doesn't want to. So you go in, you can drive that one. Reverse doesn't work properly.
Oh, of course. He's setting you up
Yeah,
for
of course he is,
failure.
yes.
If you know how to set up reverse, be my guest, set reverse. I don't know how you do it. Here is the start line. I got a DJ over there, so I'm probably going to get copyrighted. So a lot of this video is probably going to be no audio and just a little bit of my music. All right, here we go. Oh, so Max couldn't make it up that thing without a hand of God. We were the RGT to it without a hand of God. I'm trying to do it one-handed here, so a bit of a disadvantage.
Excuses.
Ah. Right. Ah. So everything on here is struggling. Oh. I would have made it, but someone left the controller there. Hey! Come on, you can do it. Right, there we go. Can the red fin special do it? Hello, mate. Up there we go. Right, cool. This here should now work with the dig function. So really tight bend, so you put it into dig. I've never done this before, so no idea. But what you're supposed to do is drag the front round like that, which it isn't really. There we go. And then you turn dig off, put it back into 4-wheel drive. Right, so now we want the back end, well, we want the front end to slide over. So if I'm doing it wrong, let me know in the comments. I probably am doing it wrong. Right, so, there you go. So that's slid the front end over. Right, so now you put it back onto 4-wheel drive. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. Look at that in here, they got a little mini crawler track. So here we've got Paul, long time subscriber.
Yeah,
So what car you got, mate?
it's an SCX10.
So you made this out of biscuit tins?
Yeah, it's all soldered together, and all this damage is from driving it.
Well, go on then, give us a bit of action. Man, this thing looks absolutely epic. What do you reckon? Should we do an Andy and Andy version? So this beast here is actually made from 2 Traxxas TRX4s, but just check out how capable it is. That is surprisingly capable. So what is it, 2 TRX4s? So TRX4, TRX4.
Back to back, you know.
Dog, hello dog. Can a dog ride it?
Sit. Stay.
Wow, that thing is so capable, it goes everywhere. How is it so capable? Literally, you sausage everything and it makes it 10 times better. Oh, servo. We got a crawler on a crawler. There you go, proof. All you gotta do is sausage everything. So we had a little play on the drift track, and then they got a monster truck competition. So Ian can use my LMT. We got the HBI. Got all these competitors lined up over there. More over there. Clodbuster Bigfoot. Isn't that? Is that yours?
Man.
Nice, nice. Hello, 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 hello. All right, here we go. We got the wheelie king going. Oh! It's not sounding too healthy. Poor diffs. Here we go, backflip. Oh no, maybe not. Game over. Everyone's being kind. Don't kill it. Oh! Oh, and he saved it. Oh no. Oh no. Game over. In with the grave digger. This has got all the trill axles on there. Aluminium wheels. Don't bend the wheels.
I'll try not to.
Nice.
Guess I thought that this was meant to last. Now I wish I was still living in the past. Yeah. Never felt so damn frustrated.
Hey. So then to end the day, the heavens opened. Massive thank you to Polly Hapes and MHAP for putting on an epic RC event. Can't wait for the next one. Don't forget, you can win my Losi Super Baja Ray 2.0. All the body's been shoe good and drywall taped to make it stronger. Overall, really good condition. These things are almost $1,000 brand new. Here's a load of techno babble, but I'm not going to bore you with all that, so I'm just going to put a link down below to this website so you can check it out for yourself. Now, everybody's entitled to one free ticket if you want a chance to win this car. If you want more tickets, then you have to pay for them. But anyway, all the details to the competition are down below in the description box. Good luck, got to be in it to win it.